welcome back to the channel, guys. If this is your first time viewing, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel so that you can see more Shawn Myrelle content. So what we're doing today is a quarantine haircut. I absolutely have no experience with cutting hair, so y'all are about to get a treat. Now what I had in mind was something like a Michael B. Jordan taper. I wanted to make sure I left it pretty thick on top and just use 1.5 on the sides for the taper part. Alright, so we're about done here. I did the best that I could do. I'm just pretty much lining up from here with the edge up tool. I think it came out, you know, I'm not even gonna hate on myself. I give myself about a good 7 out of 10. I mean, the haircut is not a 7 out of 10, but for somebody that, you know, that don't know what they're doing, I think, you know, you can get away with this in society. So, what I can clearly see here I need to work on is my lines and my blending, because, you know, even throughout the process that was incredibly difficult. The back I definitely need to work on, but I think that'll get better as I get a new mirror. I mean, you know, sometimes I wear a bonnet, sometimes I wear do-rag, sometimes I wear a hat, so I can pretty much get away with this. I'm just gonna blow dry it and put it into 2 braids, so, you know, that normally takes away the attention. But thank you again, everybody that decided to come out and watch the video. Just make sure again that you like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment letting me know how I can improve, what you've seen that I did that was just completely wrong, and, you know, just stuff along those lines, so I know for the next quarantine video what to implement. And I'm gonna keep making sure I'm watching other videos. But again, thank you so much, you guys, for checking out the channel, for checking out the video. I'm gonna make sure I leave a video right here to one of my older hair videos, so just in case you're the kind of person that's been trying to learn how to blow out, braid your hair, do a twist out or whatever, it's all gonna be here.